Okay, here's another weekend project for your Volkswagen. This is a 1971 Karmann Ghia that needs its floor repaired. So as you can see, there's some rust starting to form. It's worse in certain areas than others. That's one of the worst spots there. It's water mostly pools in the back of the floor pans and eats through that paint. And even in the back there like that. There's a few spots where it's even gotten to the point where there's holes in the pan, so those will need to be fixed. So number one, go to work with the wire wheel on the grinder. Get all that paint and that tar off of there. Got to get the pan nice and shiny in order to restore it. So there, we're part way through that process. A lot of the paint sanded off. Corners are tough. You're going to have to use a smaller wire wheel or a Dremel, or what I ended up doing was using some sandpaper to get the paint and tar out of the corners. So once it's all cleaned up, you can see where there are holes in it that you're going to need to repair, and go at them with the welder. That's the hole that you saw earlier, welded up and ground down a little bit, but not very far, in order to preserve some integrity. Clean the floor off, use Simple Green or use Marine Clean, which is part of the Pore 15 system. Next we use Metal Ready, which is also a Pore 15 product, to etch the clean shiny metal. Pore 15 sticks to rust, but not to shiny metal. So here we are starting the Pore 15 process. I just brushed it on with a 2-inch brush. It goes on pretty well, and it makes it look really nice. It gives it slightly textured but very clean looking sheen. They have Pore 15 in different colors if you don't like black. Don't forget to paint over the welds on the bottom of the car. Those would be bad to forget about. They'd rust right out. Anyway, have a nice day, and if you're doing this and you're in the Seattle area, give me a shout and I'll give you some advice.